Python, numpy array sublist match with large list where sequence matter. I need to find in which index in the large list where it match with the sublist. I expected true but it returned false. The desired output is
it won't check for subarrays. Instead, it checks for elements. You will have to do something like this, using A for big array and B for sublist for readability. C is the required list of indexes. Explanation. This is basic list comprehension in Python. The idea is to create subarrays of the big array and check if it matches the sublist. Breaking down the statement for better understanding.
One very easy solution using the sublist pattern for slicing and checking for that signature and getting the indices would be. Explanation. Basically, we are slicing 3 slices out of the data array, one that starts at 0th index and goes until leaving out last 2 elements. Another that starts at first index and ends at second last element, and a third slice starting at second and goes on until the end. These 3 slices correspond to the 3 elements of matching required against the sublist pattern, that's false, true, true. We need to make sure that the first one is false. In other words, let's make sure the negation of it is true. Negation in numpy is achieved through operator. So, in essence, we get the combined mask off those 3 slices and get the corresponding indices with np.flatNum0. For the given data results in